my name is Mike Dixon. I'm with Level 3 Development. I'd like to welcome you to our newest community, Riverwalk, located in the city of Eagle, west of Linder Road and on State Street. Riverwalk is a 52-lot subdivision with 28 home sites currently available, of which 3 back up to the Boise River frontage, and lot prices start at $81,000. If you're looking for a luxury home site in Eagle, Idaho on the Boise River, I welcome you to visit our project, and also you can visit our website at riverwalkeagle.com.